Hi everyone, in this video I'll make a talking fox. This is a cute little puppet. So I'll start by folding my paper in half. I'll do this on both vertical creases. Then with the outside edges, I'll fold these in towards the center. Now I'll open up these flaps and do a squash fold on both sides. Flip this over to the other side and then I'll fold the outside edges towards the middle so it looks like the other side. I'll make a diagonal fold with the lower section, so I'll join the two corners together like so. Using this section, I'll fold this up. I'll flip over to the other side and repeat the steps again, although this time I'll do it the opposite way, so this diagonal will go over to the right. And then I fold this up. So what I've done here is I've made a little pocket. I put my thumb and my index finger in. So I'll gently push the middle inwards and this completes your talking fox. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.